Good morning, friends. We are making some breakfast here at Chai and Coaching, and some of these videos we want to make are just helpful, quick, easy, cheap, healthy food for you guys. I know that can be tough as a student here in America. This morning we're going to be making some avocado toast. If you've never had avocado toast before, it is delicious. These are avocados in America. One thing that is important is to make sure that they're ripe. You want them a little soft and squishy. If they're too hard, then it's hard to spread. And so if you buy them and they're hard, make sure you let them sit for a day or two before they're soft before you use them. So you're gonna need some avocados. Need some bread. Any kind of bread will do. White, wheat, fancy, any kind of bread you like to eat. And then any kind of spices or flavoring. A couple of our favorites are, we just use some sea salt to sprinkle on. And then Tony Chachere's is kind of our version of American masala, kind of Creole. A lot of international students like this. It's good to add some more flavor and spice on your food. So yeah, this morning I'm going to show you how to make avocado toast. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, like, share, and check out some more videos. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is get some toast. So however much you want, a couple pieces of bread, and stick it in the toaster. Make sure you turn the dial to how dark you want it. Alright, toast is done. Alright, now that you got your toast, you're going to need a sharp knife. That's always important, especially when cutting fruits or vegetables. You want to make sure you have a good knife, more than just a bread or butter knife. There's many different ways to cut an avocado. I usually go around the long way, like this. Avocados, in price, they vary around between 30 cents to $1 per each one, depending on the season and the time of the year. I think right now they're about 78 cents a piece at the store. There's a seed that comes inside. You don't want to eat that, but most of the time when we have breakfast, we'll only use like half of an avocado to make 2 or 3 pieces of toast for our family. And so you want to keep the seed in there. That helps preserve it. Put them back together, and then you can store it, and it'll last a couple days, and you can keep using it. And so then I like to slice it the long way into kind of little pieces, and then cross it again. That way you got kind of lots of little chunks right there. And it makes it really easy just to kind of scoop out and you get all these little pieces. It's really easy to spread. Avocados are really healthy. They've got healthy fat. Good source in nutrients. I'm not an expert in all that, but that's what my friends say. And then you spread it around nice and good. Some mornings we just have toast with peanut butter, toast with jelly, but avocado toast kind of has a little more substance to it, probably a little more nutrition. And so it's a little bit more work, but definitely good and healthy, and can be a great snack, a great quick lunch or meal, something that you could probably make and pack, and put it in some Tupperware and take it to college for a snack or a meal between classes. And then normally we'll sprinkle some of this on, but some other ideas on how to spice it up. You could take some tomatoes or onions and kind of chop those up into little pieces and garnish it and kind of make some bruschetta. Or you could even take some other veggies and slice them up. We've got some fresh tomatoes from my wife's parents' garden. These are incredible. So homegrown tomatoes. You can put tomatoes, cucumbers, other veggies, and you could even make it into a sandwich if you wanted to. So sprinkle some of the Tonys on. Give some delicious spice and masala. Sprinkle some sea salt on. A little bit on this one. And there you go. You have some delicious avocado toast. You can make a sandwich, you can doctor it up, put some other things, experiment. Let us know what you think, taste it, try it out, send us your pictures, send us your comments on what you think. And here's a quick look again at just everything we got. We've got, the toast, avocados, some spices, tomatoes, a good knife. You can use a lot of other things to make it look good. This is a quick, easy, cheap, healthy meal for you guys as you're studying here in America and can help you be more successful as a student. Thanks for joining us at Chai and Coaching. Hey friends, thanks for joining us again at Chai and Coaching. Hope this will help you to be successful as an international student here in America. Please subscribe, like, follow, share, comment below or on our other platforms online, and continue the conversation, help each other out. So yeah, it was great having you join us at Chai and Coaching, and we'll see you guys next time.